Hello, it's Andrew from Fine & Country on a glorious day. If you're looking for a perfect lifestyle, then this certainly could be it. We're at Lower Tregunnon Farm, which is a fantastic setup of a beautiful farmhouse with plenty of reception space and 2 wonderful bedrooms. What we also have with this stunning property are 2 holiday homes, both of which have 2 bedrooms and reversed accommodation done to an exceptional standard. What I really love about this property are the outside space, the wonderful gardens, the colour, the bird song. It really is something to take in. The equestrian facilities comprise of a large stable block, with in total the home having some 4 acres. We're positioned geographically in a very convenient setting. To my right are the slopes of Bodmin Moor and its wonderful rustic terrain, and to my left, within about half an hour's drive from here, we've got beautiful sandy beaches and stunning cliff-top walks. There is further scope with this property to consider, subject to consent, potentially converting the cart house, which could become a 3rd holiday unit. So let's summarise the features of this wonderful property. We've got 4 acres of grounds, we've got 2 2-bedroom holiday lets, we've got wonderful, beautiful, productive gardens in the most super setting. For more information on this outstanding opportunity, contact Fine & Country now on 01566 771919. We'd love to tell you more.